If you want to know the latest about woman business, join Lucy Manet Ali every Thursday after the 8 p.m. news bulletin and Saturday after the 6:30 news summary. City Woman Talk with Lucy Manet Ali.
Fambul, Unakushe, and welcome to another edition of City and Woman Talk. We're the Ichuna na studio na Radio Mount Oriel on 107.3 na Fabric College campus. Me were being the program cantona, Mina Lucy Imanet Aliu. And members say this program they meet in collaboration with Orange Sierra Leone. Well, inside the program today, we'll talk about how the criminal and seditious libel law with and just repeal been the affect women them and whose platform it go create for women them where they don't pull them. I've been talking to Aminata Finda Masakoy, one of the program's director for Sierra Leone Association of Women in Journalism. And let me start for tell me but how journalism now welcoming career for women them.
Well, yes, to some extent, they don't be a welcoming career because when I make we go inside, if we not being Siam welcoming, we're not being for even take the venture. But you know, everything way they do, na passion. Seeing the way you want for do something from way small, you don't get people where they admire, you don't get a profession where they admire. So I mean, journalism itself, like any other profession, I believe say we always come inside there. We see something inside, we see prospects inside, we see a way where we can feel say we will serve humanity through what we do. So yes, I believe say it gets something welcoming inside.
It's for women, and this don't seem to be a different path. It's like some kind of odd thing. So how you go on for like say this na a noble career for women then?
Every other career can be noble, including journalism. You know, as I don't say just now, you know, you get to get passion for do something, and you get to know how you do them. For you be excellent in what you do. Just like if I aspire to be a banker, you know, it will only be a noble profession where I put me all inside and I able to do it, I able to do satisfactorily. Because you got to be satisfied with what you do and do it with all of the ability within you. So, I mean, it depends on how you approach them. So, journalism, I believe, say, how we approach them, how we take them, how we see them. Go make we see a noble and we excel in what we do and it be beneficial to we family, to society and to we conscience itself.
Alright. Was this unlike many other careers them women them can they go into and but journalism no they see much women and they embrace them like how they embrace other career them. Why you think so this they happen?
Well, not forget say most of women them not want for take risk. And the way journalism be done in the country with all them bad laws them will be attached to them, they make women and afraid for take the venture. Even most of we come inside as journalists we say we are journalists. But who are afraid for practice the way we're supposed to practice? You know, because we've been getting kind laws and the way, you know, they criminalize you for even where you say something where something the person feels say you know for say, then get a catchment paper and say, okay, you can be criminalized, you can be detained, you will not just be detained, you can be, you know, sentenced for that. Yeah. And we as human them, we always think about family. We think about we name. We think about suffering, you know. But and they we know they feel say we able for go through some of the acting them where they are behind the prison walls where man them can go through. Yeah. You know, but who things and the way can they behind doors where, you know, they can make them so fearful that if you go yonder you liable to bokutin, you can be raped, you can be tortured. And we don't want that. And when you think about family, let's say you they think say I get for married or you already don't married, you get picking them. You know, woman they think bokutin where they make we know the venture for do bokutin them where they happen when a wrong thing in a society. Then they alone they make with afraid for going to anything with problematic.
Right.
And journalism now one kind thing we Bokuma me afraid for coming inside because of some of them things that they will be old on, will be old where you know the laws they don't hang over journalism.
So it just about like fear now one of the challenges.
Yes.
Any other challenges then they will know so they look at?
Well, I think fear now one of the challenges. Then the the money where they inside journalism. Somebody look and say, oh, it is not well paid, not a well paid job. You know, I no go come and put all my time inside this. You get family, you get for this, you get for that day. So, but putting in the way attached to them, because when you look at how then they pay, you know, degree holders them where they into other jobs them, journalists and they get any kind of salary then they you get for really work extra hard for make you make them as a journalist.
So you don't ever like get somebody where, you know, just done or they where they out of career and just they go school and they come to you, they complain about choosing journalism as a career?
Plenty we can get them. You know, you go come, you know, especially some of we now, the kind some say stage where we don't there, you go meet young people, men and women, and go come, oh, I want to venture into this. Where me have been do the same thing. Me have been do the same thing. I've been meet people away already there into journalism, where I've been meet telling them what they think about coming into journalism. Say, I really get passion for this thing. I want for coming to them. Even before I venture for begin to for study, you know, around journalism. You know, I meet people away already now journalists them. You know, and I can remember I get few who tell me say, it's not coming to journalism. Because, you know, better no day inside journalism. You know, I would prefer you go into this. It gets some other field of study where it be reference me to. I prefer you go into this, go to this area, and more lucrative than journalism. You know, it's, at the end of the day, I follow my heart. I follow waiting really I get passion for. So go against some of the advices and take the pathway me feels I want for take. So the same way I can get people here. And me not go discourage person if you really want for coming to journalism, say not coming to them. Because me know how I travel for coming to journalism. So I always know say where there is a way, there is a will. Or where there is a will, there is a way. So maybe use the will where I been get for follow the way where I want for follow. So I always tell them say, okay, but you need for brace up because not so like any kind of way you guys if you say someone feel say where you not get job, you can come and then you just stay there around journalists them, then easy for become a journalist. That's not it. So Bokut in the way attached to them. Bokut in the way you get for focus on for make you the kind of journalist way for be.
All right. So for female journalists that were already inside the career, how the organization, the women's media organization, how do they try for like mentor and embrace the other woman and they, you know, for bring them come up and see like the work on the right path?
You know, talking about journalism, always we don't look at, we don't say boku challenges then they for we, the woman them. So, Slawich na female, you know, association of free female journalists them, where we focus more on how for see, how we for rebrand. You know, we work as women them inside journalism. Boku tenende de boku ill things then they don't talk about we. Boku tenende then we look we as lazy people them. Somebody look we as you know, people away can just confuse. You know, because the man them don't take most of the high position them at the field of journalism, and we the woman then just stay as underdogs where sometimes follow you pave your way, just like what did happen in any other office. Some man feels safe as, you know, somebody bring foolishness come to you, you know, follow you make name or follow you reach outside you want for reach. But we want for say, no, that's not it. Let people not think about we then kind of with them. We know say as women they were able for tin up for what we believe and push we safe. And one for say outside women and they support women them. Because one thing we don't ambog we women them in this country. Now outside we always there for poor we safe. We want for use language for lay with the support we save. And if you they follow we the say we want with the empower, we want for say empowerment in the field of journalism and outside journalism. Because one for say we the advocate for one another. One for say we the lobby for see women them reach higher heights, you know, now with society. One for say how we the advocate with senior colleagues them, the station managers them, the editors them for empower women or female reporters them at the media houses them. We want to see how when you talk about with financial ability, with financial strength as women them come up, You know, we talk about how we go see with female journalists them gets the basic salary. You know, where government self they don't put say we forget the lowest income for business so boku of we company them no they get them across the country. So one for see how we go before engage for see say them minimum wage and they be met and even above, you know, because in northern they happen and boku no they get even the minimum wage. One for say how we go advocate and lobby with the media institutions them and media owners them.
So we are currently doing or waiting.
Yes, as you see, you know, I mean this night we know dates for long. Although we don't date at the media platform for quite some time, but we everything at stages. We they begin engage, they begin the lobby, they begin to do all the things. Then they, as we even on, they try for spread with membership across the country because you get for we not really want just to focus on we members them. As far as you are a female journalist with this institution, all female journalists them, being member of Slawish or not, as long as you are a female journalist, we believe say your interest now with priority.
All right, was this like whether or repeal the libel law and the part 5 of the Public Order Act, we see like new things them don't come up, including this payments of increments of salaries. So how na get for work with SLAJ for see like this be effective?
Yes, you know, you cannot do anything in isolation. We are all one. We all the media body and SLAJ, the Papa organization. You know, where you talk about media business in the country, every other country where you go, you meet. You know, say we get the association where hold all the media practitioners in together, and that's SLAJ. So we definitely need and get for the complement each other. This is not just a female body, and we know say we get another female body within the media landscape. So we see how we all go collaborate and work together, because as I say, we want for create that change the media landscape. It's not about competition. It's not about bad mouthing each other. We want for maintain respect amongst journalists them, or especially female journalists them. We want for, you know, build that kind way the way. Once we expect we safe, the man and not go take we for granted. Because over the years we don't see Osai man then can just deal with we colleagues them or talk about we colleagues them any kind of way. One for stop that's not the media landscape. And that's go start with we. And amongst and between we self as women practitioners them. Respect me, I respect you. All me in I esteem, I all in I esteem. I promote you, you promote me. You know, we try for see how we they showcase we self. I think that what they be the struggle for fame. We they showcase we self as women them. Let we do that and see how we can help we self for reach the limelight.
All right, I want to come to the part 5 of how the Public Order Act been done affect women them. But before can the person go on for like ask, I should say person go be tempted for say, why make we get 2 women organization there by the media?
But I not feel say we get anything within any of we lost them where they say we not forget 2 female organizations. Where you look at the country today, we get 50-50, we get campaign for good governance, where comprises of women there. Boku women organization in there at the country, but they all get a common goal. We are for fair advocates for women them. So even within the journalism, I not feel say like taboo for we get 2 female organization. The only thing we're very important, we all get a niche where we all get a focus and say we all get the way we would go around the advocacy and the work where we they do. So I think say complementing each other or collaborating go help for we achieve the general purpose. We not for help we self as women there, we not for faith for we self as women there way, and for help women and girls them across the country. So I think that's for we focus. Let anybody not focus on why, because no law no day we condemn having 2 organizations. So it depends on also you want belong and I mean, okay, that they one day I also are there, or one day both sides. It all depends on the organizations, the way they deal with, if they want for accept you for this or so. That's it.
Okay, alright, I know. I don't continue on that part there. So, we see like they don't actually pull the part 5 of the 1965 Public Order Act. Whose kind platform this could come with for women and the media?
We want to first of all say thank you to His Excellency the President, because President don't come and go. We don't promise, say they go pull this bad law. They don't ever achieve them, they don't ever do them. Why? We don't know. But President Bio being used, it's in a way the campaign is a manifesto he put time. And every time where President Bio gets any business, any interaction with media people, they must talk say, I've been promised, I go do them. And for it do am, for me, a very, very big thing, and for Slawich, and we tell thank you to the President, to Slaj, to the members of Parliament, and to all the one that we play very big role over the years for we reach this point. And we see say this very good for we the women them more especially again. You know, not forget say we don't talk about the fears them, the thing that we be make women and not the grief for come into journalism. And now we're there into journalism. And now this bad law don't come out. I believe so go get more women the way they come into journalism. More especially, again we were there. But could they way go come now into print journalism? Because I think the one day we did the print journalism, being afraid this law pass even we did na the electronics, you know. So I believe say we will get more women than now, and one for encourage more women them for going to print journalism, because aside and they say women not boku, we boku na the electronics, but we not get more women than our prints. So one for encourage more women for going into print, one for see more women become editors, one for see, because when you become an editor, if you don't say everything in a just like how I mean. When you be a station manager, anything where you anybody do that, you media house, are you anything that they write from IMC to the courts to everything, then they address them to the station manager and the editors. So some of the company them that thing they say when they send them to you make boop at the courts, because you know say now you get for good thing up, and if you can't buy anything now you do go down. So that fear they be on the grip. Most of we sisters them, but I think that this na a relief to we. Yes, you got for practice responsibly, because even where they don't pull them, don't forget say Slaj, MRCG and other media body them, they don't engage journalists them across the country. Say even where we the feds for let them pull this law. No mean say we for practice recklessly.
Yeah.
We for be responsible journalists. You got for know say this way they do so. Now correct thing. I don't check them. Is it correct? Now some to go and bug somebody. People get families. People get speaking. And some of them say so they shatter people in life. They shatter people families. So what are they do so? It correct. Now the truth are they put to the public. I think so we need for the check we self before we go. You know, we go behind the mic or we go to the print. Yeah. So we got for do them responsibly, and that's gonna make we self enjoy what they do, and posterity no go judge we.
Alright, so how Slawich get for engage other women then for Sisilek now that, because now all man they say, hey, journalists don't free for doing it for do, and that's not it. So I wanna go for engage with women then for select them go through all the necessary procedures and being responsible and accountable.
Well, we don't they try for we get piles of programs them we they work on. For say we go, they engage with colleague female journalists them. We don't they do even when we did through this corona time. We at the intermedia, so we even come in existence. We don't do a lot of trainings them, virtual trainings them. We don't engage key people in our society on the different topics them where we don't choose for deal with, and they continue for engage. We go continue for see how as women them we go talk to we self and bring people them with concern on the different topics them, because where trouble come now we go for clean up. And follow we know say even where this don't come out there are other laws.
Exactly. Where people
Now
don't
we get
seem to
civil law.
understand, yeah.
And you got for go back, you got for go courts, then go fine you, then go waiting. So all that is stressful. Before you go through all that stress, then why not practice professionally? So I think saying that the professionalism side, we want for highlights and take across the country. For avoid all the so let's stay as professionals. Let's practice responsibly. So I think say that's now we focus, that's now we target.
All right, minus the laws, what they don't repeal. Other challenges challenges they're always there. So, and then they in the field of journalism, working seem for be higher than other fields. So, what's he going for? Like, say to woman them in and out of the field about any challenges there. So,
Challenges in life. If you not get challenges, you are not alive. Because every mortal man, talk to the richest people in the world, they have challenges. They get things the way they battle with, where if you go say, hey, now this person they make so, with all what he get. So this is part of us, humans, male as well as female. And we all not to say, for they in isolation because me na woman, you na woman, and so what? If the man they able for handle challenges, we also capable for handle challenges. Not allow society for make you feel say, oh, me na woman, so I forgive into this situation. No. Not allow anybody for broke you down. Not allow anybody for bring you come to a point where if you say you not get value. Because you got to be strong as a woman. You got to be pushful. They be lethargic. You left hand will say, oh, because me a woman, man for can do and for me. No. Be empowered. Make sure say you get goals in life. Make sure say anytime where you put up on something you achieve them. Because at the thing in this way, the man and king people if you say they're exceptional. No. So my encouragement not just to women in journalism, to every woman. Lift your head up. Look ahead. It no matter your qualification. I tell you, experience they go down a long way. And you seriousness and commitment to what you do. They take you very, very far. You can push, yes. But if you don't set up certain goals, you're not able to attain them. So una the woman them. Let's be strong. Let we believe in we self. And above all, let yourself as woman. And you go make them. So.
Well, Fambul, now so Citizen Woman Talk go left for today. If you miss half of the old program, you can tune in Saturday morning after the 6:30 news for a repeat broadcast. Remember say, this program they meet tonight in collaboration with Orange Sierra Leone. So till next week, me na Lucy Imanet Aliu.
If you want to know the latest about woman business, join Lucy Imanet Aliu every Thursday after the 8 p.m. news bulletin and Saturday after the 6:30 news summary. City Woman Talk with Lucy Imanet Aliu.